$2,000 more income per year in order to afford to buy the median priced home today compared to a year ago. It's Friday, October 21st, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. That's according to the senior economist and director of forecasting at the National Association of Realtors, Nadia Evangelou. Although stats indicate that wage growth rose 8.57% this year, earnings aren't keeping pace with the highest inflation in decades. Wage growth is the best it's been in about 20 years, but inflation is at its highest in 40 years. Home prices are up 30%, food prices rose 11.4%, fuel rose 52%, healthcare spending rose 9.7%, the cost of new cars and trucks rose 11.4%, while the cost of used cars rose 7.1%. Auto insurance premiums are poised to rise at least 4.9%. It appears that gains in wages are quickly being eaten up by the rising living expenses. The gap between wages and housing affordability continues to widen. The average Annapolis household earns approximately $89,000 a year, but the median home price is up 9.8% from last year to $535,600. Rents continue to soar and shortages exist there for what must pay for a family home. Interest rates are expected to be up to 9% by the end of this year, so buyers are out looking for homes right now at the 7.125%, and they will be feeling smart when their friends and families will be paying 9% or more by the end of the year. Inventory rose 3.76% from last week to 133 homes for sale. 17 homes are coming soon, down from 21 last week. 22 new listings came to the market since last report. 12 homes went under contract, 4 homes went to pending, 24 homes closed. The highest sale was in Cedar Lane Farm for $5,500,000. Rental inventory rose to 32 homes for lease at an average of $3,053 per month, and they've been on the market for 20 days active. Are you thinking about moving? You should feel confident about buying or selling a home. My job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, the data, and information, and then bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 21st, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.